Are you in the market for a new high-end business laptop but torn between the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12, ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11, and ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into each of these top-tier laptops to see which one delivers the best performance, features, and overall value in 2024. We'll break down the design, specs, battery life, and much more, so make sure you don't skip any part. Stay tuned until the end, where I'll reveal which model stands out as the clear winner for different needs. Plus, I've dropped product links in the description below to help you make the right choice. Let's get started. Lenovo has outdone itself in crafting an ultra-portable marvel with the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12. This laptop is an embodiment of lightness and durability, thanks to its aluminum and carbon fiber construction. It's a testament to engineering prowess, weighing in at a mere 2.4 pounds while maintaining a robust build. The design is sleek and modern, highlighted by a stunning OLED display that delivers exceptional color accuracy and contrast. The iconic ThinkPad keyboard makes a triumphant return, offering the same satisfying typing experience that has endeared it to countless users. The familiar layout, combined with precise key travel, ensures efficient and comfortable input. However, the touchpad, while slightly larger than its predecessor, still feels cramped and lacks the haptic feedback offered by optional configurations. Performance-wise, it delivers solid results, powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processors. While it outperforms its predecessor in graphics tasks thanks to Intel Arc graphics, it falls short of AMD-powered competitors like the ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2 in overall benchmarks. A standout feature is the impressive 2.8K OLED display, boasting vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a crisp 2880 by 1800 resolution. It's a visual treat that elevates the overall user experience. Unfortunately, this display comes at a cost as it significantly impacts battery life. While the laptop can manage through a workday on a single charge, it falls short of the endurance offered by models with standard IPS panels. Despite its undeniable appeal, it faces a major hurdle: its price. Lenovo has pushed the boundaries of premium pricing with this model, making it a prohibitively expensive option for most consumers. Even considering the top-tier specifications, the price tag is difficult to justify, especially when comparable performance and features can be found in other laptops at significantly lower costs. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11 seamlessly merges portability with durability. Its carbon fiber lid and magnesium alloy chassis create a robust foundation, ensuring the laptop can withstand the rigors of frequent travel. The compact dimensions and lightweight design make it an effortless companion for on-the-go professionals. Beyond its physical attributes, it excels in delivering a premium user experience. The iconic ThinkPad keyboard, renowned for its tactile feedback and precise key travel, remains a standout feature. While the touchpad is somewhat constrained due to the inclusion of the traditional ThinkPad pointing stick, it offers sufficient precision for everyday tasks. Display options cater to diverse user preferences. The baseline 1920 by 1200 IPS panel provides adequate performance for most users, but those seeking higher resolution or superior color accuracy can opt for the 2.2K IPS or 2.8K OLED alternatives. The anti-glare coating on the touch display enhances visibility in various lighting conditions. Performance is solid, thanks to the integration of 13th generation Intel Core processors. While not designed for intensive gaming or video editing, it handles demanding productivity tasks with ease. Battery life is particularly impressive, allowing users to work through extended periods without seeking a power outlet. Connectivity options are comprehensive, featuring Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack. Wi-Fi 6E ensures fast and reliable wireless connections, while the optional WWAN module provides uninterrupted connectivity on the go. Security is a paramount concern for business users, and the X1 Carbon Gen 11 addresses this with features like self-encrypting SSDs, optional Intel V Pro processors, fingerprint readers, and IR cameras for facial recognition. Lenovo's commitment to sustainability is evident in the use of recycled materials in the laptop's construction. This eco-conscious approach aligns with the growing emphasis on environmentally responsible practices in the tech industry. While it may not introduce groundbreaking innovations, it represents a meticulous refinement of a proven formula. Its combination of durability, performance, and user-centric design solidifies its position as a leading choice for business professionals seeking a reliable and efficient mobile workstation. The Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2 presents a compelling blend of style, performance, and portability. Its distinctive design, featuring a combination of recycled aluminum and optional sustainable flax fiber, sets it apart from the traditional ThinkPad aesthetic. The compact chassis, measuring just 11.6 inches wide and 7.9 inches deep, makes it an ideal travel companion. At the core of its performance is the AMD Ryzen Pro 7000 series processor. This powerful chipset delivers impressive results in productivity tasks, surpassing many Intel-based competitors. While not a gaming powerhouse, the integrated Radeon graphics handle demanding applications with commendable efficiency. The display is a highlight, particularly the optional 2.8K OLED panel. Offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional clarity, it elevates the visual experience. However, the 13.3-inch screen size may limit multitasking capabilities for users accustomed to larger displays. The ThinkPad DNA shines through in the keyboard, providing a comfortable and responsive typing experience. The touchpad, while compact, offers precise navigation thanks to haptic feedback. The integration of a pointing stick caters to traditional ThinkPad users. The Z13 Gen 2 prioritizes security with features like fingerprint readers, IR cameras for facial recognition, and self-encrypting SSDs. The 1080p webcam delivers clear video quality, essential for remote collaboration. While it excels in many areas, its port selection is limited to 2 USB-C ports and a headphone jack. This minimalist approach may prove restrictive for users requiring multiple external connections. Additionally, battery life, while sufficient for a workday, falls short of the endurance offered by some competitors. Beyond the core specifications, it incorporates several notable features. The webcam module, housing the 1080p IR camera, doubles as a convenient handle for opening the laptop. The inclusion of a microphone mute key and webcam disable key enhances user privacy. The ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2 represents a bold step forward for Lenovo's business laptop lineup. While it may not be the perfect fit for all users, it offers a compelling combination of style, performance, and portability for professionals seeking a modern and sustainable computing solution. So which ThinkPad should you choose? If portability and classic ThinkPad design are your top priorities, the X1 Carbon Gen 11 is an excellent choice. It offers a perfect balance of performance and battery life. However, if you crave the latest technology and don't mind spending a bit more, the X1 Carbon Gen 12 delivers superior performance and a stunning OLED display. For those seeking a unique blend of style and sustainability, the ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2 is a strong contender. Its compact design and impressive performance make it a great option, but its limited port selection might be a drawback for some. The ideal choice ultimately comes down to your unique needs and budget. Consider your priorities and choose the ThinkPad that aligns best with your professional lifestyle.